Today we're going to talk about how carpet cleaning, commercial carpet cleaning, can make the world a better place. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. Today I'd like to talk to you about how encapsulation is making the world a better place. I know that may sound a little bit hokey, making the world better through carpet cleaning, but in a sense it really is. Years gone by, when I first started cleaning commercial carpet, it was a different landscape. People would back off on cleaning their carpets because it wasn't in the budget. We knew that when we would clean with hot water extraction, we were going to get wicking and recurring spill stains, and we would really struggle to try to get the carpets to clean up well. So that's where we were not that many years ago, and it really was a challenge. In fact, a lot of residential carpet cleaners shied away from commercial carpet cleaning because it was just such a hassle. It was a hassle to go out at night and set up trucks and deal with what they knew was going to be a nightmare, that they'd have to go back and fix problems. That's all changed. It's now a profitable venture that many carpet cleaners are enjoying because they know that they can get in there and get consistent, reliable results using a good encapsulation program. Now, what encapsulation changed, first of all, was the pricing issue. Now we can sharpen our pencil, so to speak, and become competitive on pricing, and yet still make an exceptional profit because of the square footage that we're able to clean using a good encapsulation program. Also, the carpets are no longer wicking. We're not seeing dingy, dull traffic lanes. Rather, the carpets are staying brighter looking, and they're staying cleaner on an ongoing day in, day out basis. So the commercial accounts are happier. They get to enjoy day in, day out clean carpet. And on the contractor side of the equation, we're able to make a better profit and do so feeling good about knowing that the customer is in good condition, the carpet's being well maintained and well cared for. So really, in the process of making the world better for our customer, it makes the world better for you as well, because you're able to run a profitable, well-run business. It's not complicated. You're not having to reinvent the wheel every time you go out to clean a commercial carpet. A good encapsulation program makes that possible, and so many carpet cleaners today are seeing the benefit of it in their business. If we can help you see the benefit of encapsulation in your business, we want to help you max your Encap. So feel free to reach out to us here at Excellent Supply, and we'll help you any way we can. And please comment below. Let us hear how encapsulation is helping you to improve what you do in your company, and subscribe if you'd like, and click the like button. We always appreciate that when you do that as well. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.